Tôi thì khỏe cái này à? Cái nào? Itu ada di Petro.
For admission, item number 1.
Item number 1 and item number 10 is same, my lord. Same arising out of item
Yes,
number
my
1 and-
lord. I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 1 and number 1, 2, and 3. And the appeal memo is still not received.
My lord, that actually, I'm sorry, my lord. But item number 10 also same, my lord. This is the government they received, my lord. The 1, 2, and 13 paragraph is different. Other paragraph is same, my lord.
Huh?
Item number 10, my lord. All paragraphs same, my lord. Arising.
All paragraph?
Paragraph same, my lord. The item number 1 and item number 10, my lord.
The issues are same.
All paragraph, my lord, this is the same paragraph, item number 3, item 4, size, all paragraphs. Only they copied, my lord, this item number. Nothing is new in item number 10, my lord. This government received in that memo, my lord.
No, item 10 will take up. What is this item 1?
Item number 1, my lord, regarding my lord, this rental compensation, my lord.
So,
Here, my lord, what happened, my lord? This, my lord, the army was in occupation from 1966, my lord. The helipad area, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, what happened, my lord? This the land was acquired, my lord, as per the order, compliance of the order of Honorable Court, my lord, 2019, my lord. My lord, 2023, my lord, this the petition is filed, my lord. The 2019, my lord, petition is filed, my lord. For claiming the compensation from the, my lord, their land, LSC was issued, my lord, 1994, 2003, 2005, like this, my lord. So their land was acquired, my lord, by the government, my lord, 2019, my lord. Now they are claiming we are dispossessed from the land, my lord. So dispossessed.
who is this for this? You have to,
No, my lord. This land, the army was under occupation 1966, my lord. The LSC was certificate issued, my lord, sometime in 1994, sometime 2005, 2003, my lord. And their petition statement is that they were dispossessed, my lord, from the land. But army was occupying from continuously 1966, my lord. And thereafter, some original landowner, my lord, they approached this honorable court in 2000, my lord. There is a direction, my lord, to acquire the land and pay the compensation, genuine landowner, my lord. My lord, thereafter the land was acquired, my lord. Land was acquired. When land is acquired, my lord, this petitioner, my lord.
anyway, you don't have a copy of the appeal.
Yes, my lord.
You give the copy
Yes,
of the
yes,
appeal.
yes.
When? Next week?
My lord, immediately after vacation, my lord, on 29th October, that's it.
Yes, you're there. Anybody else is there?
I'm for the private respondents, 1 to 3.
So she has not been given a copy of the appeal.
Seems so.
You're right. Miss Van
Siam.
Siami. I know your name is short form. Miss Van Siami, learned GA, appearing for the state government, submits that she has not been given a copy of the writ appeal. Mr. S.K. Medi, learned CGC. Yeah. No, not CGC, sorry. CGC.
Yes, ma'am.
Learned CGC appearing for the appellants. Shall furnish a copy of the writ appeal to the GA during the course of the day.
My lord, we didn't want to explain. Today I have not, my lord. We didn't want to.
You go to the photocopier shop and then you
My lord,
go to
I'm leaving today, my lord, sir.
within a week.
Yes, ma'am.
List the matter
29th October, my lord.
on 29 October.
My lord, item number 10 also, my lord, come same day, my lord.
Item 10.
Yes, my lord.
We will see you wait.
My lord, because this order of this writ petition, my lord, or annex, my lord, and as per this order, this writ petition, my lord, that petition allowed, my lord. First writ appeal, my lord, writ petition, my lord, order, my lord, was annexed, my lord, to that writ petition, and as per common order was passed, my lord, on from the, because of this first item number 1, my lord. So the same they may come, my lord. 29, my lord. They have no objection, my friend also, my lord.
Yes, madam.
I am for the private respondents, my lord. Respondent number 4.
Why did you come to show your face only?
No, my lord, actually I am from Sunday to here, Sunday.
Then today it is listed for hearing.
My lord is here, my lord. If Wednesday is my lord hearing them, my lord. Monday also I am here, my lord. Monday, Tuesday I am here, my lord.
So,
Tomorrow I have a case, my lord, fixed in Guwahati, my lord. This is the
so
problem.
you have this is the High Court also.
Yes, my lord.
Then-
I thought, my lord,
This is the
this item number 1 and covered, item number 10, my lord. This last chance, my lord. That's maybe
There's no, if that was the case, you could have flown back yesterday, come by virtually and just say that.
Then, my lord, Friday fix, my lord. I'll argue, my lord. Friday, first I'll argue, my lord.
Friday, I don't know. My brother will have to go. back.
Yes, my lord.
So there's not possible on Friday.
29, my lord.
You should have mentioned this yesterday. I had read the file.
Yes, madam. Actually, I prepared for because only my
And
not serving.
I have also written the result. That is going to be, that was to be passed today in my list.
Yes.
Given in advance notice.
Yes, madam. I'll next time I'll give my advance notice.
You see, that is the notification issued in the principal seat.
Yes, madam. My
So
lord,
that we don't waste time.
But here, my lord, only witness the division bench is there. This is the problem. I prayed for listing the matter on Monday, my lord. But convention, my lord, yes.
There's no convention. There's no convention. Monday there was a division bench.
Yes.
We had a division
Yes,
bench on
my lord.
Monday.
Last time I prayed for listing on Monday, my lord.
You could have, okay. Anyway, right. On the prayer made by Mr. S.K. Medi, Learned Counsel for the appellants. This matter on 29th October.
Yes, ma'am.
Oblige.
What to do?
Item number 2.
May it please, my lords. My lords, if the matter can be passed over for the time being, my lord, the learned advocate general will be appearing, my lord.
Well, okay.
Oblige, my lord.
Item number 3.
Yes, where is your affidavit?
Lordship, may I please, Lordship? Lordship, as per the last order, Lordship, I filed the affidavit of the service of notice, Lordship.
No, the state and the respondent. Yesterday. Oh. It's not here. Acha, okay, wait. No, we don't have it. It's not here. This is affidavit of service. It has come. Oh, now it has come just now. Whose affidavit?
State
State.
respondent 1 to 4.
1 to. Yes,
Lordship, I have instructions to appear on behalf of respondent number 10.
and
I'll be filing my power today.
and
So if I may begin some time to file the
how
affidavit.
much time do you want?
3 weeks?
Okay. 3 weeks. Okay, right.
Lordship, I received the affidavit yesterday, but the name of the respondent's persons who is swearing the affidavit, my name is not mentioned here, Lordship.
Okay. Out here it's mentioned Annette Laldin Sanghi. Write it down. Annette Laldin Sanghi. You check it with the official report.
Lordship.
Okay, right. Mrs. Linda L. Fumble, additional AG, appearing for the state. Submits that affidavit in a position has been filed on behalf of the respondents number 1 to 4. Mr. A.R. Malhotra, appearing for the respondent number 10, submits that wakalatnama will be filed during the course of the day. Full stop. He further prays for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 10. Praise aloud. This is the matter after the vacation.
Lordship, can it fix,
Give a date. When do you want?
Lordship, any convenient date, like, can it be on 25th of this month, Lordship?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. 3 weeks, Lordship, on 16 October, Lordship.
16 October. Is it?
Working day, Lordship.
16 October. Okay. And this is the matter on 16 October. Interim order is there?
No, Lordship.
Okay. This is the matter of 16 October.
Item number 4.
In item number 4, my lords, I have filed my affidavit yesterday.
You have filed affidavit to what effect?
My lord, the question was whether it's still advisable to construct the building. in the
And what have you
Bond
said?
My lord, we have 4 names in the safe zone, my lord, and
In the safe zone.
Yes.
Who are these 4 persons? No one should be. No one should construct as of now. Okay.
the first one is H. Zodin Sangi, which is in my affidavit at
Yes.
page 3. This is the petrol pump, the owner of the petrol pump.
That the bench may be retained. What are page 3?
Yes, my lord.
Please read.
That it is advisable that the bench be retained from the ground level using
Bench?
RCC.
Bench be retained? What do you mean bench? What kind of bench? While you're constructing a house, where does the bench come in?
This is the recommendation, my lord. Your lordship will see the spot verification, the joint spot verification report at page 6.
No, you see, madam, please see, please read. You see, we have got to understand what you have written. Please read that H. Jodin Sang.
That is, it is advisable that the bench be retained from the ground level using RCC retaining structure, while the slope above the bench should be shotcreted to prevent the effects
Now,
of
what
weathering.
is? Please explain to us what do you mean by the bench and shotcreted. What is all this?
Yes, my lord, these are all technical terms.
If you are blind with respect to this, then you can imagine one blind man leading another.
My lord, the explanation which I have been given is that they have done the kinematic analysis with the help of software and
They have
other
done what?
instruments. Kinematic analysis.
What is that?
This is to see the rock structure and the
And what
the
is
angle
the
of
what is the report?
The report is in the joint spot verification, my lord, at page 6.
It's-
At page 6, my lord, number 1 is H. Zodin Sangi. And this kinematic analysis is given in the last second para.
What is the permission given is for how many floors? Who is for the AMC?
I'm appearing on behalf of my senior today because
Where is he? I wanted to ask him some questions.
Lordship had some personal difficulties today. He could not appear. There's a family function.
There's a
Family function.
family function
in honor of his son's first birthday. He could not appear.
from the
today.
morning.
There's a preparation.
What is your name?
Lalrinzola Colney.
So you mean to say that these persons should be allowed to construct?
Yes, my lord, if we leave it the construction as it is, it could be more detrimental, my lord. That is the discussion they have. Since construction is
Yes.
already going on. And my lord, in number 2, we have Ming Tanzwali.
Huh?
In number 2,
Yes?
we have Ming Tanzwali and Lal Shwai Sanga. And with regard to Lal Shwai Sanga's, let's see, my lord, it's advisable not to construct any further. There are 4 names given, my lord.
So age-old Sangi should be allowed.
Yes.
But how many floors have been allowed by you? It cannot be a high-rise building. We are going to control the number of floors that can be constructed. So Lalpai Sanga, he
Yes,
should
my
not be allowed to construct.
Yes, my lord. The
Then
place is
Dr.
unstable.
Now, if he's not to be allowed to be constructed further, why don't you cancel the building permission granted? On the ground that your earlier permission was based on some faulty assessment made by you. Achha, that is for the AMC.
Yes, my lord.
That's the problem. I wanted your AMC. Anyway, then Dr. J. Lalram Chuanga, what about him? Lalram Chuanga.
My
What
lord,
about
this
him?
place is stable. It's advisable that once there is a favorable weather condition, then he can develop his site.
And Ming Tanzwali?
I think Tanzwali also, my lord. There is no danger in her land area, my lord.
That is in the AMC affidavit of 10 September, I think. Okay. Yes. We will bring this for the right. You see, I think we need some more particulars
Yes, my lord.
with regard to this H. Zodin Sangi and Ming Tanzwali and this Dr. J. Lalram Chuanga. First of all, we have got to know as to how many floors the permit was given for, how many floors,
Yes, my lord.
and how much should he be allowed to construct. We cannot allow the entire, I do not know how many floors they have given him. 10 floors, 5 floors, 8 floors, what? What is the building permission given? Yes, anything to say, Mr.?
No, so my lord, the AMC, they have filed their affidavit, my lord.
Ah.
Lordship probably has seen it.
Yes, I've seen.
So they have mentioned certain things that was asked in the last court.
Correct.
And one more thing, my lord, I have concern is if it is a protected area,
Correct.
If it is a protected area, they should not be given permission at all. That is one concern I have, my lord. I mean,
No, protected area, all those we're not going to allow. We are going to cancel all of this. But whether these 4 persons, whether they are in the protected area, we do not know.
This person, they are not in the protected
They are
area.
not in the protected area.
All the persons who are residing in the
Then
protected
your
area.
place please take steps for cancelling the building permits. If you don't do it, we will do it. But it's your job to do it. Right. The respondent number 8, that is the secretary to the government of Mizoram Commerce and Industries Department, has submitted an affidavit dated 10/9/2024 wherein it has advised that, wherein it has recommended that the construction being, that the construction that had been started by H. Zoudin Sangi Ming Thanzwali and Dr. J. Lalram Chua should be allowed to continue. Once favorable weather conditions arise. The affidavit, however, states that further development, further construction in respect of the construction being carried out by large by Sangha should be halted for the time being. And during fair weather conditions, debris should be removed from the site. We are on considering the affidavit dated 10/9/2024 submitted by the respondent number 8. We find that the affidavit is woefully short on particulars. The respondent number 8 shall have to submit an additional affidavit stating, providing the approval given by the AMC to the building plans and specifically state as to the number of floors that has been allowed to be constructed to each of the persons mentioned above. Full stop. The respondent number 8 should also specifically mention as to the number of floors that should be allowed to be constructed, notwithstanding the approval given by the AMC. Respondent number 8 shall also state as to whether the affidavit made, that affidavit dated 10/9/2024 had been made after having prior consultation with the AMC, or whether the same was done unilaterally by the respondent number 8. You see, this building construction, madam, is for the AMC. Who is the respondent number 8 to give us this advice?
My lord, AMC was also there in the spot verification.
Okay,
In the
they were
last
there.
page, yes, my lord.
In the last page?
Yes. The signature is there, KLL Ming Diana. And another town planner, AMC.
Okay. And we'll clarify that, huh? Then you, in para 5, Hanmo, para 4, Hanmo. Just put number 11, Roman 11, huh? Just put, what is the name, what is the particulars of these persons? No, don't say that, just, after that you just put another paragraph, just say, the respondent number 8 shall also give the particulars of the 4 persons mentioned in the affidavit dated 10/9/2024 submitted by the respondent number 8 by including the father's names or the husband's names of the 4 persons. That is H. Zodin Sangi, Ming Tanzwali, Lal Roy Sanga, and Dr. J. Lal Ramchuang. The respondent number 8 shall also give the residential address of the above 4 persons in the additional affidavit to be filed. I'll give a more lengthy order later on. It'll come. Leave this matter when? Leave this matter on 25/9. Is it okay? 25/9? Or do you want some different date?
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Maybe in the week commencing from October.
October when?
There's a holiday, so it's first week of October, my lord.
Okay, I'll leave the matter on third,
Third.
3/10, okay?
Obligement.
Obliged.
Item number 5.
May it please your lordships. Malas, in this matter, I'm led by senior counsel Mr. T. Mojumdar. He's on legs. May I
Item
pray that
number?
this matter may be passed over for the time being, Malas? 5, Malas. Can this matter be passed over for the time being? He'll be here in 10 to 15 minutes, Malas.
Okay.
Obliged, Malas.
Item number 6.
My lord, we have taken steps upon the respondents also by way of dusty and by way of registered post.
Yes, madam.
Your Lordship, we are yet to receive instructions, so kindly grant us 2 more weeks to file the necessary affidavit.
You have already, but you have not taken environmental clearance. Why are you taking it so lightly? You have uprooted more than 20,000 trees, according to the petitioner. Should we stay all the projects? Then you all will come within a week with your affidavit.
Your Lordship, no other further development has been made in the concerned area as of now, Your
You mean
Lordship.
no construction work is all construction work has stopped?
Yes, Your Lordship. It has halted for now, it has been halted for now, Your Lordship.
Halted by you, by the
No, Your
by the
Lordship.
forest department,
Yes,
or by the PWD.
by the PWD,
It has been
based on
halted.
the stay order, yes, Your Lordship.
What's the order?
The stay order of the forest department, Your Lordship.
Acha, okay. Where is that stay order?
Your Lordship.
Also, okay, now you have acted upon the forest department stay order.
Yes, yes.
Can you give us the stay order
Uh,
issued by the PWD?
Your Lordship, it is issued by the forest department on the.
Correct, but then you must have, by acting upon it, you must have issued some consequential order.
Your Lordship, I have not received such document.
But you have received instructions to that effect.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Let the Executive Engineer, PWD, National Highway Division 3, Thingdol. File a affidavit
Yes, Your Lordship.
stating that the stay order issued by the Forest Department has been complied with by the PWD.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, right. Heard Mr. Joseph L. Rentley, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss
London Blue, Your Lordship.
Lal Nun Rui, learned government advocate, appearing on behalf of the respondents number 127. Notice on the prayer for a stay order had been issued by this court on 3/9/2024. Next para. Ms. Lal Nun Rui, learned counsel for the respondents number 127, submits that in view of the stay order given by the Environment and Forests and CCCCs, what is that? And Climate Change Department, While orders dated 27/6/23 and 31/7/23, the PWD Government of Mizoram has acted upon the same, and no construction work is being undertaken by any person or the PWD in respect of the project, that is the inverted commas, the Roman 1, construction of MDR road from Sirvakon -11 kmp to Selesi -28 kmp, in the 3/9 order from the line 3, it is there, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Next para. Ms. Lalnun Rui. Now the respondent number 5,
Your Lordship.
4 or 5. I think there is point number 4. And/or 5. Now just say that point number 4 or 5 shall submit an affidavit within a week stating as to whether the stay orders issued by the Divisional Forest Officer, Environment and Forest and Climate Change Department, Aizawl Forest Division, dated 27/6/23 and 31/7/23 have been acted upon in respect of the above project. Next para. As per Office Note dated 10/9/2024, notice was issued as per, there is no return of AD card or service report in respect of the respondents number 8 to 14 till date. List this matter on
Your Lordship, second week of October, Your Lordship.
No. Yeah, we want that affidavit from the department that the project is stopped.
Your Lordship, on the 25th
on, today is 25th. This is the matter on 25th, 25/9. Huh? Then what is this application?
My lord, this application, my lord, we had made one small clerical error, one small mistake, my lord, in the course title. So instead of writing in the state of Mizoram, we had mentioned directly.
Okay, right. Heard Mr. Joseph L. Rentley, learned counsel for the applicant, who praised that the application for amending the writ petition may be allowed, as the name of the respondent number 1 should be changed from inverted commas the Chief Secretary, Government of Mizoram, Aizawl, Mizoram, inverted commas stores, not two, inverted commas, the state of Mizoram represented by the Chief Secretary to the Government of Mizoram, Aizawl, Mizoram. Ms. Lalnun Rui, learned counsel for the respondents number 1 to 7, submits that she has got no objection to the application being allowed. Next paragraph. In view of the consent of the parties, the application is allowed. Applicant to submit amended course title to the registry within 3 days.
3 days, yes. And my lord, if
The
we
IA is accordingly allowed and accordingly disposed of. Yes.
my lord, there is we had taken steps by way of dusty, my lord, upon respondents number 8 to 14. So let that be reflected, my lord. 9 to 14.
No, where is your affidavit?
It's there, my lord. We probably it has not been included, but we had submitted the affidavit. If it's not there, my lord, today it's okay. We'll mention it on the next day.
Okay, it is here.
Okay.
Okay, right. Next paragraph. In the main case, huh? Is it right? The petitioner has also submitted an affidavit stating that dusty service has been effected upon the respondents number 9 to 14 on which date? Different dates or
All of the, on the same day. On
Which date?
On 9.
where
9.
have you said that on 9? On 9. Okay. On 9/9/2020. This is the matter on 25, no?
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 7.
Please, Your Lord.
Yes,
We are challenging the impugned order of the learned single judge
have the order, please.
dated 11/9/2023.
I've made some. Yes,
Whereby the learned single judge has relegated us to approach the
what is the? Yes,
to approach us, the appropriate forum. Our main contention is that the learned single judge has not considered our rejoinder affidavit.
you see, Mr. Counsel, the problem is your case, according to the government, central government, is that all the compensation was paid in 2007.
There is the BRO, the submission of the BRO. They say that we have paid compensation with regard to the crops, plants, and the maize to land. Now, my lord, this is a land acquisition act. The award was passed, approved by the state government,
Just tell me one thing. Award was passed under what act?
LA Act 1894.
And when was it? When was the award made by the collector?
The collector has not mentioned the date when it was passed. Now, but subsequently it was approved.
No, you see. So it was approved.
It was approved by the state
Approved.
government.
Now, as under what law was it approved?
Under
The acquisition is made under what law?
LA Act 1894.
1894.
Yes.
That was repealed. LA Act 1894 was repealed or not?
Yes, it was already
It was repealed under what act?
2013.
13 Act.
Yes.
Which came into force in which date?
2000.
It came into force on 1st January 2014.
Yes.
Then, how can the state government approve an acquisition in terms of a repealed act? The state government, I have some answers, I have some questions for you. How?
So that is upon
Another
the
thing,
state.
Mr. Counsel,
My lord.
according to you, the Section 6 notification, the
My lord.
declaration under Section 6 of
Yes,
the
yes,
LA Act
yes.
1894,
Yes.
was made in the year 2013 or 12? Now please read Section 11A, the LA Act. Have you got LA Act 1894?
Yes, yes, yes.
Please read 11A. There is something fishy in this case. Mr. AG, please listen to what I'm going to say. Huh? Please. This is a very fishy case.
I'll read with your lordship.
Yes, 11A, please read.
The collector shall make an award under section 11 within a period of 2 years from the date of the publication of the declaration.
Declaration is made when? Which year?
Page 305.
Oh, 13. In the year 2013.
Yes.
And this award is of 2018. So it is not made within 2 years. And it is made against, in terms of a repealed act. Then the most important, you see, there are around 612 writ petitioners were there. Now there are 500 something appellants only. All of them have got land settlement certificate. This is in the village area, in the 5 villages of the Chakma Autonomous District Council. In all my years of practice and as a judge, I have noticed that villagers usually don't have LSCs for the simple reason that they don't want to pay the revenue tax. So everyone has got village pass. Surprisingly, all the writ petitioners have got land settlement certificates. Unfortunately, none of them are here. I wanted to verify. 612 writ petitioners in 5 villages, not even around Aizawl. In the border area, 5 villages in the Chakma Autonomous District Council. I do not know how the LSCs are issued to them. It's first time I'm seeing this. There is something very wrong going on. That is why I want the government to produce all the LSCs, the originals. I want them to produce all the files by which approval has been given by the state government to all these villages. Our repeal act. And that has been approved by the government in 2018. Award passed in 2018 on the basis of a LA Act 1894, which was repealed by the 2013 Act, which came into force in 2014. There is something very wrong in this.
It is our prayer that this award has to be satisfied under 2013 Act, which we have raised before the land.
But you have not challenged the award.
No, we have not challenged.
Then where is you see, if you want compensation under the 2013 Act, you have to challenge the award which has been made under the LA Act of 1894.
We have to see that indoor
Now,
development.
that is
indoor
a
development case.
different issue. The LSCs that were issued to you, I've never heard of LSCs being issued to villagers at such a large scale, I want to see all those LSCs. I think you'll have to, I have to see, you have got to satisfy ourselves that there's nothing wrong in the issuance of the LSCs. How can it be? You see all the land acquisition awards made in the state of Mizoram. This large scale LSCs like this you will never find. And they're also in Chakma Autonomous District Council, really. I can understand in the area around Aizawl somewhere. Out there, what law are they applying? What land revenue law are they applying there? Please.
They have a separate law.
Show me that.
No, I have not brought that one.
We have
Because
to go into all this.
it was a different issue which your lordship has raised just now.
Whoever officially officer. Mr. AG, one another thing. You see, if they have been given LSEs from 1991 to 2020 to 2003, that's what I've seen. That means between a period of 12 years. Now, if they have been holding these LSEs for 12 years, some of them 12 years, some 10 years, they should have been paying tax for those. I want all the tax receipts, the register in which the tax receipts were made, and I want the names of the officers who had issued these LSEs, and the surveyor, and all the government approval given for these LSEs. There is something not quite right. We'll get to the bottom of it. Everything has to be produced. Is the CADC a party here?
Yes, they are not represented.
They are not represented very conveniently. Then we will call them to appear by personally. And if they don't come personally, we'll arrest them and bring them in. It's not right the way things are being done. Okay, just write one line. Just write one line. To get to the bottom of this, to verify the facts with regard to issuance of the LSE to the appellants and with regard to proof of payment of revenue tax, etc. The officers of the Chakma Autonomous District Council have to appear before this court. However, it is noticed that they had not made any appearance even before the learned single judge.
No, they have appeared.
They have appeared, okay.
Your Lordship has waived.
Now, out here, they are not here.
Out here,
So, we'll issue notice.
in the last court date, if I'm not mistaken, when the condonation application was taken up by Your Lordship with Chief Justice, I think their appearance have been waived by Your Lordship.
No, but maybe in the thing, maybe for the condonation of delay, but not notice. Then you say issue notice. Issue notice on the appeal.
They are respondent number 10, 11, 12.
Ms. Siren Sapi, CGC, accept notice on behalf of the respondents number
1 to 5.
1 to 5. Who is for 6 and 7?
And PCC, they also did not appear in the last court date.
Then who is for the state of Mizoram?
I'm appearing for the state, Lordship.
Okay, Ms. H. Lalma Swami, accept notice on behalf of respondents number 8 and 9. Petitioner will take steps for service of notice upon the respondents number 6, 7, 10, 11, and 12 by registered post with AD within 3 days. This is the matter after the vacation. I'll pass a detail order. Detail order.
Oblige.
For orders, item number 8.
What is this? I have finished. Post on. Item
My
number.
Lord, item number 8.
My Lord, service in respect of the complainant is deemed complete.
Okay. So we can list it for hearing?
Yes, my Lord.
My lord, the informant counsel may be appointed, my lord.
Huh?
This is POCSO matters, my lord. The
Legal aid counsel.
legal aid
to be
counsel.
appointed.
You're right. Registry to prepare the paper book. This is the matter after preparation of the paper book.
Right.
For admission, item number 2.
Item number 2.
Has been filed yesterday.
Yes. Where is that affidavit?
Oh, it has been filed this morning, my lord.
This morning. Oh. Now, to what effect? Do you have a copy?
I have a copy, but I can
Yes.
hand over one copy.
Yes, one copy.
The relevant page, my lord, if your lordship kindly goes through from page 12 onwards and annexure 4. A specific proposal has been submitted and sent to GAD for the approval. Page 12 onwards of the affidavit. My lord will come to the second paragraph. Second paragraph onwards.
Yes.
Page 12, 13,
Yes.
14 and 15. And the letter along with the minutes of the meeting along with the proposal for allotment of the land under the Mizoram Land Pooling and Management Scheme is at page 38, annexure 4. Letter dated 3rd of September 2024.
You see at para 2, it has been mentioned that. As
Of the
per-
affidavit?
Yes, no, yes, on the page 38.
Oh, page 38, the letter.
Para 2, page 38, para 2. It says here.
As per this suggestion.
Yes,
Inspection was carried out.
and the report was discussed in the meeting of the Lunglei District Government Land Authority. Where is this meeting minutes?
The meeting minutes is at page. Page 43, my lord.
What is the signature? Where is the minutes?
That's the attendance sheet.
Yes. I think this page 40. Page 40. Page 40.
Page 40, my lord.
So a part of the land is proposed to be apportioned,
My lord.
provided that
Page 44, your lordship will find
Ah,
the site plan.
yes,
The total area is 12,253.793 square meters.
yes. Now this is for the district court.
Lordship.
Then what will happen to our existing court that we will keep?
Lordship, that can be decided later on. Already we have handed over another building.
We have got that.
That has already been handed over to the district and session judge. And this is the additional proposal.
Okay,
But
additional
at
proposal.
that time, if your lordship kindly remembers,
Yes, yes.
that I suggested that this land may be
As an
used.
alternative.
Yes. But in that case, my lord, that particular building may be returned to the government. That is my humble submission, my
The
lord.
commerce and industries.
Yes, yes, madam.
In lieu of this.
Because, yes, in view of this land.
Provided that the government approves the proposal of the this Lunglei authorities.
We'll do it, my lord.
When can you give a decision?
My lord, government decision, it will take some time.
That is the problem. You see, we don't have time. That is the problem. The problem
Already
is,
this has been submitted, the proposal has been submitted on 3rd of September.
by when can you take a decision?
6 weeks.
Okay.
6 to 8 weeks, my lord.
No, because you see, there is one problem. For now, the CSS scheme, the centrally sponsored schemes, will be there only till 2026, as of now, as per the Government of India decision. So after 2026.
So we have to commence the work before that.
So that is why we are in a hurry. And because the building, that commerce building that has been given to us, either we retrofit and make an extension with the existing court building, or it has to be broken down and a new building constructed there. So if you all are going to offer us an alternative land, then you have to, and that is only going to be a proposal, by the way, because the Lunglei authority proposal has to be accepted by the
government.
Once that is accepted, then you are going to send the proposal to us.
Lordship.
Then the High Court will decide whether to accept or not. So that is going to take
That will take some
time.
again, some
That is
more
why
time.
you'll have to somehow speed up.
Expedite the entire issue. Lordship will kindly give us 8 weeks time.
8 weeks.
Yes. Maybe it has to be placed before the cabinet also.
Can it be done by October end?
November, my lord.
November first week?
Second week.
We cannot have, we don't
That is
have
the
that much time.
So that I don't come again and say that I need more time.
November, say November 7th? November 7th.
Lordship.
I think that's November 7th, I think.
November 7th is a Thursday.
Yes. When do you want?
But I think division bench is not sitting on a Thursday.
No, that.
That can be.
Okay, we can make it on 6th.
It's
See,
okay.
We are sitting, we sat on Monday also. It depends upon the senior judge who is sitting here. He will decide how the bench is to be fixed.
Can it be done week thereafter, my lord? 12th or 13th?
That week we are going to be very big. 6th is good. 6th.
7th?
6th. 7th also. 6th, I think.
6th or 7th, whatever it is.
We'll make it 6th. Make it 6th since Wednesday. So that, okay.
But your lordship may kindly record my submissions with regard to the building.
With
my lord.
that giving back of the building. If we accept.
That is subject to the acceptance of the court.
Yes.
But my submissions may be recorded to that effect.
See, okay, that's right. The learned AG submits that the proposal for allotment of a portion of the land at Rasiven, Lunglei for a new district court complex as an alternative site to the present existing court building and the district marketing office of the Commerce and Industries Department, Lunglei, District Marketing Office of the Commerce and Industries Department building at Lunglei. Made by the Lunglei District Government Land Authority under the Mizoram Land Pooling and Management Scheme is to be approved by the state government. Full stop. Thereafter, the proposal for allotment of the land at Rasiven as an alternative site would be forwarded to the High Court to decide whether it would accept the new site, the new alternative site. He submits that in the event the proposal of the Lunglei District Government Land Authority for apportionment of the land at Rasiveng, Lunglei as an alternative site for the district court complex, Lunglei, is accepted by the state government and by the High Court, comma, the District Marketing Office of the Commerce and Industries Department building which was handed over to the district judiciary in the month of August 2024 may be returned to the state government. That's okay. I'll pass a detailed order later. By today it'll come out. I'll have to see this also. They'll call for this. Give it back to them.
I'm obliged.
This is the matter on 6/11.
Item number 5.
May it please your lordships. May it please your lordships.
Yes.
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord. When the matter was called, I couldn't appear. There was a taken up matter before this division bench in respect of lower judiciary, my lord. Monitoring bench, so it took some time.
Yes, yes.
My lord, in this case, I filed this PIL basically alleging that a public injury has been caused by direct violation of the Lottery Regulation Act 1988 and the rules made thereunder, apart from the violation of the circulars issued from time to time by the central government, whereby, first of all, if a distributor is appointed for selling paper lottery, he cannot conduct this paper selling of paper lottery through online. And this was done earlier also.
Online and paper lottery is different.
Different. I'll show from the act the provisions are different, and particularly
you see, Mr. Mazumdar, one thing before going into all these issues, I think we have got to also look into another issue. Just a minute.
My lord.
Mr. Mazumdar, there's one thing.
My lord.
You see, there is an application filed by the respondent number 9. Respondent number 8. Regarding the maintainability of the petition.
PIL.
Now, PIL. Now, do you want to file a reply to that? To a written objection to that?
My lord, I have got my reply, but as your lordships are indicating, my lord, I will have to file a reply also. I'll file a reply and then I'll argue.
Yes,
because
otherwise,
my lord,
you see,
my lord,
otherwise after listening to you and to them, then it will be a problem later on when we say that if one of you says that this issue has to be taken up first, and then you want to write, you want to submit something in writing, then we'll be wasting time.
Absolutely. Otherwise, I may just indicate one thing. The law is very clear. I'll file a reply, but I'm just indicating.
Yes.
Law is very clear. Supreme Court has very clearly laid down the law that if there is a violation of a constitution or any act or any rules framed thereunder, this itself amounts to a public injury, and any person from the public can come forward and file a PIL. This is the settled law. The respondent number 8 has filed this maintainability petition. We'll file our response, we will argue on that. But I'm just indicating they are not disputing the fact that allegations that the paper lottery, a distributor who's been appointed to sell paper lottery is conducting, and they have taken a sort of a permission from the state authorities that they are selling it through online. When the online is specifically prohibited, my lord, in fact, the Act and the rules framed there and the circular issued by the Government of India is that very clear. As STQC certification is necessary before the state government does it. Because so far as conduct is of lottery is concerned, my lord, it is the state government who will conduct. They are appointed only as a selling agent. Now, what they are doing, my lord, in the guise of selling the paper lottery through online, they are operating an online business in a hybrid manner, which is specifically prohibited. There are clear circulars. Central government came to know about this earlier, my lord. In 2019 itself, there is a specific notification saying that hybrid lottery is not permitted at all. In spite of that, they are doing it, my lord. And state authorities, some agencies, I'm not saying the state government, but some officers possibly are involved in allowing them, some orders have been issued. So I'll file my response to their IA, and Lordship may fix a date. If the Lordship desires to hear the maintainability petition first, we will argue on that. And I would like to return response to the maintainability petition, my lord.
Yes. Okay, just, are you doing online?
No, no.
No.
It is their allegation, my lord, that we are into online business.
My lord, our allegations are absolutely specific. We have given documents of, my lord, screenshot of mobile online and other online, my lord, portal, other platforms where they are selling it online.
Then it's going to require a full-fledged hearing because they are disputing. It's a question of fact.
Yes, my lord, we will establish that. We'll establish that, my lord. And it is an admitted fact. They wanted some sort of permission, and the state government has authorized permission, and they are conducting it online. And may I just make one submission, small submission.
Yes.
Our prayer, your lordship will kindly see, our prayer is very innocuous so far as interim prayer is concerned. We have prayed that admittedly the appointment of the distributor, particularly respondent number 8, and of course all other private respondents, is for selling of paper lottery. And our prayer is very specific so far as interim prayer is concerned at page 62, my lord, that this honorable court may be pleased to suspend the marketing and selling of paper lotteries of Mizoram state lotteries through online modes by respondent number 8. These they cannot oppose.
My lord, my chance or turn of opposing it will come only when I address your lordship on the merits of the matter. Before the maintainability question is decided, my lord, till that time, my lord, that question cannot be gone into.
Appointment to
Okay, right. In the I heard Mr. Rajesh Datta, learned senior counsel for the applicant, who is the respondent number 8 in the PI. The applicant submits that. The applicant's counsel submits that the PIL is not maintainable. In as much as the petitioner is a business rival. What?
He appears to
not at all, man.
He appears to be a
man.
Well, he appears to be a proxy planted by the business rivals. And one important
who
aspect
appears
your
to be a
lordship
proxy, appears to be a proxy, but supported by
a business rival.
a business rival. He also submits that the applicants are not marketing and selling paper lotteries of the Mizoram state lotteries through the online mode.
Within the state of Mizoram.
Within the state of Mizoram.
And one thing, your lordship, the PIL petition also does not disclose his background and credential. He claims himself to be a public, a PIL activist. No disclosure what activities he has undertaken in
That
so
we
many
will
years.
see later on.
Otherwise,
my learned friend is saying that within the state of Mizoram, in fact, within the same state of Mizoram, sale is prohibited by the state government. They are selling it outside this state. So online they cannot. The statement is possibly not correct. He is saying that sale of paper lottery through online he is not doing in state of Mizoram. Mizoram has otherwise prohibited sale of any ticket. Here they are concerned, they have taken the distributorship for selling it to other states, Maharashtra, Goa, etc. There they have to say that they are not selling it online. That they are not saying.
Oh, the petitioner's claim in the petition is that the rights of the people of Mizoram are being affected because of the conduct of the business by respondent number 8. Now, if
It is a PIL, my lord.
that is the statement made in the PIL, and otherwise also Lordship will.
Anyway, you see, at the end,
My lord.
you see, at the end of the day, we cannot decide
My
any
lord.
issues right now.
Let the
So
response come.
let him file a response to it. That's all.
My lord.
Okay.
My lord.
Issue notice on the application. Who accepts, Mr.
Mr. S. Bisukarma.
Huh?
My
Yes, Vishwakarma.
My junior
accepts notice
colleague.
on behalf of the writ petitioner and submits that he will file a written objection within
my lord, within the next date, before the next date, well before the next date.
next date can be after 2 years or so.
My lord, that stage hasn't come. I'm praying
When
that
do you
let
want-
the matter come after the vacation, my lord.
After vacation.
22nd, I am proposing subject to my learned friends'
Any
convenience.
objection?
20, let it be 21st, Miller. 22nd is a 21st.
All right. All right.
21st is Monday.
Monday.
Monday, my lord.
Okay. This is the matter on 21. On on or before, within, you say within 4 weeks, huh? Within 4.
My lord, my lord.
On or
I'll file
before,
it.
within 4 weeks. This is the matter on 21/10.
For consideration of the interim prayer as well as my lord, their
Yes,
application.
yes. Then in the main case, you write. Are you filing your, that will be taken afterwards?
That will be afterwards, Miller, after the IA is decided.
Okay. This is the matter on 21/10.
Obliged.
Lordship may just indicate for consideration of the PIL.
For consideration of the maintainability of the PI.
My lord, as well as the my petition for prayer for interim relief.
As well as the interim prayer made by the petitioner.
Deeply obliged.
Deeply obliged.
For hearing, item 11.
My lord, my lord, in this matter, if your lordship may kindly give some more time for preparation.
No. We are all the time we are reading and coming and you all are asking that. Item 10 also.
Because my lord, I have to see whether
You
this.
see, it's very simple. Your case is very simple.
Yes.
Your case is that you killed your wife
Yes.
because she scolded you,
Yes.
because you did not wash clothes and all that stuff. And that when you came home, you saw her and her boyfriend, Liana, I think,
Yes.
sitting in the bedroom, kissing and touching each other.
Yes.
So now, so you want 302 to be converted into 304
304.
part 2.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Now the only problem is that excuse that you have taken was never taken by you before the trial court at any stage. Right? Where is your case? You have admitted that you killed her. You have admitted everything. Only thing now you want to lessen the sentence by converting
Alternate,
302 into
yes.
304
Yes.
part 2
Yes.
on the ground that you saw your wife and her boyfriend sitting. Now that is nowhere stated in your 313 statement, in your statement to the police. Nowhere. It is an afterthought. Where is your case? So what preparation will you make?
In the case, my lord, I will concede the case, and because under 313 also no grounds
You're
have
not
been taken.
supposed to concede the case. You're an amicus.
Yes, my
You've
lord.
got to help the court.
Yes, yes, my lord.
What do you mean in that case? As if I've done the homework and you have done nothing at all.
I have read the file, my lord.
Huh? You have read the file?
Yes.
And what is your submission?
My lord.
Only that. Only that, seeing the girl, seeing the boyfriend and so.
Yeah,
he
that,
was-
that's
huh,
the
he
main
was-
ground. Yeah.
Okay, then, okay. You're the amicus.
Yes, my lord.
You're getting fees without applying your mind then.
I have read the evidence and all, my lord.
Okay, right. Yes, madam.
My lord, yes, if some more time can be given
Why?
on both sides, my lord.
Why? I'm
Even
disposing it
I
off.
could not prepare myself, my lord, yesterday.
You are not be able to prepare yourself. What do you think we are doing? Every day we are, we are reading all the files. You see, as per the notification given by the principal seat, if you want to adjourn a case, you should tell us 1 day in advance, in writing. This is a form. Otherwise, what happens is we come prepared. We also want to go out, visit friends, sit to watch Netflix.
My lord,
But then, so you all are being very unfair to us. It's not that it's once in a while you're asking for adjournment. It's an everyday affair, as if it's, normal procedure. You should think of the work that we are also putting in. Please tell us that you don't want to do it tomorrow or some reason.
We can do it tomorrow, my lord. Yesterday I have some personal difficulties, so.
Yesterday,
I could not-
you had some, you could not come. What?
Yesterday I came, my lord. I had hearing in the other courtroom.
No, what is that? There's nothing. I think it's he has conceded in a way. That's all. Then what have you got to argue? Because there is no dispute with regard to the fact that he killed his wife. He's not even denying that. The wooden weapon used by him, that they saw him throwing it out full of blood. And while he was hitting it, the baby was crying.
If your lordship may give some more time.
What?
I have to thoroughly read the file and see the evidence, my lord.
We'll give it tomorrow.
Okay.
You read tonight.
Yes, my lord.
On the prayer for adjournment made by the learned amicus curiae, Mr. Age of the Sun. This is the matter tomorrow.
It's obliged.
Tomorrow we'll dispose this